Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is your quirky, weird, Elvis obsessed, loving, creative makeup artist friend, Cat Sketch, here to bring you another makeup effects video of something that I've been waiting to do for quite some time. To be honest with you, it has to do with Star Wars, and I did not give two poops about Star Wars until I saw this beautiful creature, Baby Yoda. My boyfriend got Disney Plus, made me watch Mandalorian, and I was obsessed. I wanted to watch them all just because Baby Yoda is so freaking cute. Look at those eyes. It looks like if a gremlin was cuter. Green had a sickening robe and was from outer space. It's great. So today we're gonna do that, try to turn into Baby Yoda. It is gonna be a task. I am going to look like a green sideways Nerf ball, I'm pretty sure, but let's get started with the makeup. So to turn into Baby Yoda, we are going to delete the eyebrows in circles this time because I heard this works better than you do it up with a purple glue stick. And then we're gonna put some powder. I am going to do the concept of like the face shape alterations. What does that even mean? I'm gonna make it like how I did my Poppy from Trolls video. That makeup where the eyes are gonna be, they have to be really close to this nose. So I'm gonna draw the eyes on my cheekbones. It's gonna be wild. We're gonna do a couple layers of this, let each layer dry, and then get started painting. Okay, now that our eyebrows are flattened down, I'm gonna start drawing the outline of Baby Yoda's eyes, face, where I want them to be. Just outline and sketch. I'd rather have the proportions down, especially if you're doing a Baby Yoda. You'd rather have these proportions, or else it's gonna look really freaking weird. Although I feel like no matter what, it's gonna look weird. So I'm gonna draw a tiny nose on top of my nose, if that makes sense. And then the eyes on my cheeks. You want to make sure he has like these crazy big irises. There's barely any whites into his eyes. And then you want the top lid to go into your bottom lid. These little laugh lines in the mouth here. And then we're gonna have ears come out. It's gonna be wild, but hopefully it'll look like him. Then he has like some wrinkles up here. And then more wrinkles and forehead here. You probably don't even need to do those to your eyebrows, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put a headscarf on to get rid of all the extras. So these colors are perfect for Baby Yoda. This is the Mayron Bruise Wheel, this green and yellow. So we're gonna do the green first and then we'll stipple on some yellow. I'm just gonna get a brush like this to stipple on the green. And you wanna do kind of a thin layer to see some of the skin. And we're just gonna cover up our lips and everywhere that isn't those eyes inside the outline that we did. This is why it's really helpful to have an outline. Now, once we have that green layer on, I'm gonna get some of the yellow in here and stipple that on top. Just do some highlight marks, give more depth and dimension to Baby Yoda, like especially up here where his little wrinkles on his forehead are and where the top of his eyelids and stuff are gonna be. That are my eyes. And we're gonna do some light blue. So I'm gonna get some light blue as well. You really wanna pay close attention to detail during this and look at reference pictures because this could go really weird and really south real quick. I feel like, because this is very complicated. So I'm mixing some of the blue and yellow because he has this like glowy blue greenish tint to him. Now we need some white, brown, and black aqua paint. First we're gonna start with the brown. We're just doing some of his browns are like hints of brown and black. His browns, his eyes. So if you want the brown darker, you can just layer it. Now we're getting some black aqua paint to do the center of his pupils and the rest of his eye. This is where it could get real tricky because I feel like eyes really give off a character's vibe and how they look. You want to outline around the iris and pupil, and we're gonna make a little nose with the brown paint right here on top of our nose. And now time for the white aqua paint. Just doing the whites of the eye and let that dry. Alright, so for the detail of this look, I'm gonna use the Spirit Board palette by Pinky Paradise because it's my favorite. For stuff like this, where I have to do detail in matte black eyeshadow because it's the best. So I'm gonna take Possessed, which is the matte black eyeshadow in there, and start patting it on pupil. Get some brown for details around the eyes. Then I'm gonna get a tiny blending brush that's clean and dust that into the skin after I do this brown, especially around the eyes. I'm gonna get a powder to powder my face down so that these all set better. so I could really work in some blending. And then some more shadows, the eyes, and this part of the face. And I'm gonna do some light shadowing over the browns of these eyes. Is it looking like Baby Yoda yet? Getting some brown eyeshadow here. And I'm going to shape around his little tiny baby nose. And get a bigger fluffy blending brush to do some brown shadow here. I'm gonna put some light tan cream paint up here. Like where his eyelids are. It's a waterline. Ooh, he needs little like lines around his eyes. Like tiny little baby wrinkles. Bet you didn't know babies have wrinkles till now. Baby Yoda does. Get some white aqua paint and start putting it lines for the glistening innocence that is Baby Yoda. I made my pig mirror for this detail. Make a little highlight and then you dab it. Get the innocence highlight on his face, whatever that means. So I just got a scarf that I have that's black and I'm gonna put it over like so. And what you could do is you could even get some matte or some black eyeshadow, or what I'm using here is paints, to really get all up in there so that you can make sure none of the skin color shows. Shout out to my friend Shelby for giving me this video idea. She's the real one. You know who you are, Shelby. You're a genius. Because we've been obsessing over Baby Yoda. You feel like that? Okay. So see how like now we really have someone going on. Like that. You can even use a beanie. Alright, now that we have that, I'm going to put on this tan jacket backwards to really represent his outfit. Alright, does that look cool so far? Yeah. Okay, now what's a Baby Yoda without Baby Yoda ears? So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the headband on, like so. Then, I'm gonna get Baby Yoda ears I just literally printed off the computer. I'm gonna slide them under here and paint some more with my fingertips, light Kelly green for the Baby Yoda. And the other ear, can't just have him hanging with one ear. He needs two ears. And that is, well, wait 1 second. I'm gonna get some black cream paint color in the top of the ear so it matches better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look of me turning into Baby Yoda from Mandalorian. This thing got me to watch Star Wars. I mean, come on, it's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. If you're not a Star Wars geek like I wasn't, check out this show. It's so good. I'm obsessed. I've been singing Baby Yoda songs all day, every day, the moment I wake up to the moment I go to sleep. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always, so check it out. Subscribe for more videos like this. I do 2 videos a week every Monday and Friday. I do beauty makeups and effects, crazy characters like this. You'll definitely want to check it out. Alright, now it's time for me to take this off. I hope you guys enjoyed. Ooh, I messed that up. I gotta wash that jacket. Excuse me. I really need to get some makeup remover wipes because I've been using baby wipes soaked in micellar water for way too long now. But I'm moving soon, so I'll just buy makeup remover wipes when I move to Texas. Yeah. You guys should check out that video if you haven't already. I am definitely moving out of California. It's too expensive. So many baby wipes. Get off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun. I know it's super weird and awkward, but you know me. I'm the girl that got viral from doing a creepy minion on her face before I even went to makeup school. So I like creepy stuff. You should know that by now. I hope you guys are having fun and a great time on the holidays. Every year the holidays come around, I get sick. So I've been sick, but I hope I get to spend Christmas. Well, I'm just gonna spend time with my boyfriend because we're gonna just be unpacking our stuff that we moved into our new house together. It'll be great. Every year I'm either like, I think last year I had bronchitis for Christmas. It was crazy. But I'm gonna go take a shower. Thank you guys so much for watching, creators, and I will see you in the next video. Catch you then. Bye!